Welcome to this demo of Iris Financial's Purchasing eProcurement integration with Findel. With this integration, your Iris FMS links direct to the Findel website. You will enjoy smoother workflows and even better, full access to our complete range: GLS, Hope, A to Z, Philip Harris, Davis Sports and so much more. There's no need to email your order to the supplier, as it's all done in one streamlined process. You begin by selecting the eProcurement title from the Purchasing module homepage. It will take you directly into the Findel website, where you can fill your basket with the resources you need and want. When you reach the checkout stage, the basket takes you back into Iris Financial's purchasing, where you can complete the input of purchase order, selecting the relevant contact details and codes. Your purchase order number will then be generated. When the order is approved, Findel will be notified and will release your order for processing. Streamline your ordering process with the Iris and Findel integration. Contact us for setup now.